Boy, it is a bitterly cold start on this Tuesday morning. Our latest temperature is 19 degrees here, and we have an Arctic air mass that has settled in, at least for right now, across the Great Lakes into the Ohio Valley. It's 14 in Chicago, 15 there in Gaylor, Michigan, where they had a lot of snow over the weekend. Northern parts of Michigan saw about 5 to 10 inches of snow up there. So, of course, when you have snow on the ground, it does help it to get even colder, like Minneapolis at 8 degrees this morning, 8 in Bismarck here. But this cold air, it is going to be in and out. This is more or less just kind of a speed bump on what is going to be overall a fairly mild weather pattern shaping up through the middle of December. So we're not going to stay this cold, but certainly today, not going to see much of a warming trend. As you look at your forecast high for today, we're at about 27 is the predicted high this afternoon, and that is below normal. Normal high is set at about 40 degrees for today's date, but nothing is staying the same here as we go forward here. We are going to see a big change by Saturday. The forecast high, 63 degrees. And by the way, that would tie the record high for the date. So just big erratic swings on the way here. Looking at our satellite and radar this morning, we're going to have that Arctic high pressure keeping us nice and cold, but mainly quiet as well. A few flurries flying over parts of Iowa, and there's a chance we could see a couple flurries tonight, but it looks like the main chance of snow is going to stay down to the south. So if you look at our forecasting model, you're going to notice mostly cloudy skies today, a little bit of filtered sunshine at times, but the clouds will just kind of win out heading into this afternoon. That keeps us nice and cold. Now here's that chance of snow. This has kind of been a thorn in our side over the past several days, trying to figure out if it's going to snow and where the snow is going to develop here. As this is a very disorganized way of moving through, and the trend is for some very dry air to stay over us, and it's going to make it very hard to see anything at all. I put a few flurries in the forecast, but I'm not even sure we'll see flurries at this point here. But down to the south, there's a little more forcing to allow for some light snow in the southern part of the state around Dayton over towards Columbus, where they could see light accumulation late tonight. But again, the trend is for everything to stay south and not affect our area. As we look at your forecast tomorrow, we'll see those clouds go away to some sunshine by the afternoon. But here's a look at that snowfall forecast again. As you can see, our area stays quiet and that snow stays mainly down to the south. As we look at your forecast towards Thursday, keeping that mostly cloudy theme going, but mainly dry on Thursday. But that will start to change heading towards Friday. A strong storm system is going to move in. Looking at your 7-day forecast, we have temperatures going from 37 tomorrow, so that's a slight warming trend from today, 45 on Thursday. We'll see mainly dry weather through Thursday, but by Friday, showers will increase ahead of our next system. That brings breezy winds, temperatures up to 60 by Friday night, 63 by Saturday morning, and then we'll see falling temperatures as rain tapers Saturday afternoon. It looks like next week we'll settle into a stretch of sunny days and milder temperatures for December.